Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to change this Bristan Easy Fit kitchen tap. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to turn off either the isolators underneath feeding the tap, or in my case I've turned the mains off because it's on a gravity system to drain the hot and cold. So here I am just getting it all set up on the new tap while it's draining, undoing the grub screws at the back and siliconing everything up with this grease. Not silicone, greasing it all up with this grease. Undo these with the tools provided so that you can see that they're not protruding past the brass. So with that all ready and the system now drained down, as you can see it's coming to a slow stop. We're now ready to unscrew the grub screws on the old tap, take the tap off like this, unscrew the grub screws, take them off, make sure the base plate's tidy and tight. Do that, then fit your new tap, tighten the grub screws. With them nice and tight, you can then turn the water back on, and there you go. That is how you fit a Bristan Easy Fit tap. Easy fit, easy to install. Make sure you subscribe.